Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to take a look at how you can use the new Smart Search feature with Cartoon Animator to easily and more efficiently find assets that you can use in your projects from both internal and external sources. Let's get started. Here I want to populate this ocean scene with some cool underwater stuff that may not be in our current library of assets. You can easily access Smart Search from the toolbar or plugins menu, after which you'll see options for text and image search as well as find similar. We can try a simple text input first, and you'll see suggestions pop up based on previous searches. You can filter these down to specific asset types by using the Asset Type button on the left, and there are also tabs for packs and individual items on the top. If I change my query to Fantasyscape, we'll see new packs appear. I can double-click to install any trial content, after which it will appear in the trial category, and you'll notice a watermark appear as soon as I add it to the viewport, which allows you to test out how certain assets will look in your scene before purchasing them. You can also use tools like Render Style to adjust certain properties, and then you can copy and paste those changes to other assets in your scene. You can also use natural descriptive language to search for more specific items. This query brings up some cool looking sci-fi assets. Notice after double-clicking to install that the little icon in the top right of the thumbnail will change to indicate your download progress. Also keep in mind that some assets may not have a trial option. If they don't, they will not have a trial banner at the bottom of the thumbnail. For example, this spaceship interior doesn't have a trial option, so double-clicking will take you to the product page instead. I'll download this other asset and apply it to my scene in the desired position and size. Looks good, but let's add some more stuff to enhance the environment. I'll hide my ship interior for now, and this time find my background in the Content Manager, right-click it, and use Search Similar. This will bring up a number of related packs in the Smart Search tab, which I can filter further, then download and add to my scene. With SVG-based assets, you can use the Color Group tool to adjust the parameters of individual elements to blend better into the color scheme of your scene. Next, let's explore using the Image Search option. An easy way to do this is to simply click and drag an image search result from your browser to the Smart Search window. You'll see that our sea monster image brings up a number of related results. By filtering down to actors and then free bone actors, I can find a number of quirky looking monster characters that contain custom bone structures for animation. I'll place this goofy looking monster in the middle of our sea town and try another image search with this pirate kid. If we filter down to accessories, we can see this pirate hat, which I think will be suitable for our sea monster as he tries to fit in. Since it's an accessory and we applied it to our character, it will now follow along when we move our character. Again, we can utilize the filters and browse through all of the pirate-related options, including this ship. Don't forget that you can tweak the color, contrast, and saturation to lower values in order to simulate an object being further off in the distance. Okay, next let's try a simple keyword search. These are useful if you're familiar with the tags of a certain asset, or you want to find assets from the same developer. For example, you can see that this developer Dex art has a number of great looking special effects available in the marketplace. So if we search for Dex, we can find this cool water-based effect pack. I can bring one of these animated effects into the viewport, then right-click it and select Play from the Action menu to activate the animation. If we enter into the timeline, we can now see a motion clip in the motion track for that asset. We can click and drag the edge to loop it and keep it going throughout our playback. I can also add this cool reflection effect and place it on the ground for additional detail. One important thing to notice is that all of your trial items will appear in pink text in the Scene Manager. You can right-click on them to navigate to the Purchase page, where you can then add them to your cart for purchase. Once purchase is complete, you'll want to activate all purchased items from the Help menu, which will take away the watermark in your viewport, as well as the trial label on the thumbnail, and change the pink text to the standard black in your Scene Manager. That's the basic functionality of the new Smart Search feature. We hope it helps to improve your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.